And here we are again, back with Slime Rancher 2, where today we're going to do our best. And hopefully get enough money for these little guys. But right now, I got work to do. Plus, I want to discover more of this map here. But to do that, I think I need to find a map indicator somewhere. And there... Oh. Oh, no way, I know where that leads. They're usually hidden somewhere. The question is, where? Ah, poor guy got stuck. Hmm. Or I could keep the phosphorus plorts and see who else I can combine them with. Okay, I can only hold one more, but I need to find that. Oh man. Let's activate this. Oh, that was just part one of the area. There's more up front. No! I'll save you. Save. Oh. Alright, I got what I need. Now you just gotta figure out my way back. Which I know it's not. Refinery links. Oh, Tabby! I need 3 of you guys. And there's another map section over there. Accessing GG log. I was so in over my head when I first started here. I remember holding Jellystone back to the conservatory by hand because I was so excited. Breathless of sweating, I was going about everything all wrong. But I was happy. There's little time now, so I'll need those refinery links if I'm going to be efficient. This time I'm going to do it right. It seems like I'm going forward. But how do I get up there? Well, hold on. I gotta go back first. And yes, I saw that. Excuse me, coming through. Dang, I can't even pick up the earth lords. Just gotta make sure I don't sell the phosphorus by accident. Sorry, little guys. Oh, the price went down on pink plorts? Oh, that sucks. But I think I have enough to buy the dark shade, right? Yes, I do. But I also need an air net. Because I want to put them in here. Not hungry, I see? There we go. Oh boy, I better buy that. How much was that again? 425. Let's hope he survives. If not, I got one more tabby right here. Oh, you hungry? There you go. Oh no. Dang. Didn't kill him. Damn. Bad. So long, suckers. I feel like there's one more that I threw this way. That multiplied. Oh, crap. Come here. So long. You're all safe for another, dang it, day. Oh, fruit. Alright, thought for a split second they were cute. Snack time. There you go. Wait. Oh, what's that? Water lettuce. Oh, that's new. Oh, they love water lettuce. Even shows that they love it a lot. Perfect. Don't worry, little guy. Here you go. Is there something up there? Or do you just like the statue so much? Oh, you missed it. There we go. Oh. Oh wow, there was a lot here. Alright, let's head back. Yep, they're still okay. That's good. Ooh. Hopefully, I'm hoping he doesn't fly away. Dang it! It's fine. Whatever. Now let's get the solar in. There we go. Safe and sound. No! I didn't mean to feed you. Goodbye. I meant to feed him. That's better. This is why you don't put more than one slime in its own area. Because they'll end up getting addicted and screwing you over. Oh, there it is. Thank you, guys. Perfect. Now, can I buy your little section? Yeah, but I also need high walls because I know you'll for a fact that you two will bounce out of it. And see, the chicken coop's doing okay. What's in here anyway? Oh. Dang it. Still in the unexplored area. Wow, there's a lot of slimes here. And plorts. The cubes! Q-berry! And that's how we get up there. Nice! Awesome! Oh, it's okay, guy. I got ya. Wait, oh my god! Tabbies carry the food. That's a neat little tray. Hello, big fella. Oh, you're a big boy. You're gonna need a lot. So you're hungry. Guess not. What else could he want? Danger. There's also something there. I just don't know what. But is it worth the risk right now? No. But I will remember you. Whoa, everybody. Sorry guys, all plorts belong to me. I'll have to count every time and see if it's actually the same amount as last time. Ooh. Oh my god, yes, I know. It should keep popping up there, isn't it? Okay, hopefully this is enough. Awesome. Oh boy, hold on guys, I got ya. There you go. Feel better? Maybe I should start with 2 now. Two for each one. I'll try that for a little bit. See how well it goes. Let me check downstairs real quick. Yeah, I had a feeling. In order to revive gadgets, you'll need some shoots and resources. Yeah, I remember. And they cannot be returned. I see. So, I want to get the upgrades first. But I also gotta make more discoveries on that. So, let's go with the easiest ones. Conflorts for Resource Harvester adds a resonator to the vacuum suction mechanism that shakes loose science resources from nodes in the environment. The health modulator just takes pink florets. Conflorts for the power core. That's actually really useful, I need. Dash boots, I don't know. Phosphor and something unknown. Tabby florets. Pulse wave, unknown and unknown. Water tank, deep brine, and last, the extra tank. Still gotta make a lot more discoveries. And save as much florets as I can. But I think we're gonna end it here for the day. The sun is setting, the slimes are happy, and we still got a lot of work to do. I didn't know she can do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if your choice, not mine. I'll see you all next time.